Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to make a toggle that looks like a checkbox. So we need to make checkbox toggle style custom structure that conforms to toggle style and use it like this. So on our toggle we add toggle style and we initialize our custom structure that allows us to have a toggle that looks like a checkbox. So this is on, off. If we remove this line, comment it out, then this toggle is a simple switch. However, I want this style in this particular project, like this. So in order to achieve this, you need to make structure, name it any way you want. It needs to conform to toggle style protocol, and that protocol allows us to define a custom appearance and behavior for toggle controls. So make body function, this is the function that is required by this protocol, so you need to implement it. It takes configuration parameter and it returns some view. In some view, this is just a simple view with horizontal stack, rounded rectangle. This is rounded rectangle with some corner radius. You can modify that any way you want it with a stroke of line width 2. Frame is 25 by 25. Corner radius. And for our overlay, we use system name checkmark. So when configuration is on, so when this is true, then we show image with system name checkmark, that's SF symbols image. If is on false, then we just don't show anything. And the last thing is on tap gesture with some animation. It changes configuration is on state. So now this is false. When we tap here, this is now true. You can change this animation and modify it to your needs. And the last thing we show in this horizontal stack is configuration label. That label is this one here. So in toggle you define label, and in this toggle style we just use this label that you already created. So you can copy paste this code and use it anywhere in your project. You can modify it also however you need it. That's it for this quick video. If you like this video, if this is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.